65, we're asked to multiply, and now we're going to be foiling. So a few problems back, we were given two binomials and asked to add or subtract as indicated, and I was telling you how a lot of students will jump right in and just multiply or FOIL those things together. Now, however, you can see that our two binomials are right next to each other, no addition or subtraction sign in between, and more importantly, the directions say to multiply. So let's go ahead and do that. They've given us 4 minus 4i, and then the quantity 4 plus 7i. So we'll go ahead and FOIL. So our first, and then we'll do our outer, our inner, and then our last. So we have 4 times 4, well that's going to give us 16. 4 times positive 7i is going to be plus 28i. And then negative 4i times positive 4 is going to be minus 16i. And then we have negative 4i times positive 7i will be minus 28i squared. All right, and a couple things, don't forget, I squared is equal to, do you remember? Negative 1, good. So we're going to take that into account, but we're also going to go ahead and combine some like terms here. So we have 16, and now 28 minus 16 is going to give us 12, so plus 12i. And then we have minus 28, and then we're going to substitute this this I squared rather, for negative 1. So minus 1. And now we'll end up with 16 plus 12i. And now negative 28 times negative 1 is going to be plus 28. And so now we'll go ahead and combine our 16 and 28. So let me go ahead and we'll finish it over here. So what is 16 and 28? Let's see, 16 and 28, well that's going to give us 14, and then 3, 4, so 44. So we have 44 plus 12i. All right, again, we want to make sure that we are, even though the directions don't specify, it's probably best to get into the habit of writing your final answer in standard form being a plus or minus bi. So a is your constant, and then bi is going to be your complex number. All right, so there is 65. All right, let's take a look at 66.